What we're going to do today is we're going to use color oops. So the first part of this video will be me using color oops to remove the color from my hair, and then the second part of the video will be me using this color. If you've watched the last couple of videos, I think I might have posted the different times I've colored my hair this year or last year. So I think I first did a henna and then I did a box dye. So the Lush henna didn't work. And then the box dyes that I used, the Dark and Lovely ones, didn't really work either. In any case, that is what my hair color is right now. I can't say it didn't work because obviously my hair is a different color than my natural color to some extent, but it certainly didn't come out the way I hoped it would. I mean, clearly you can see that I do have hair color. Starting with color oops. So in the bottle, this seems to be, hair color remover, okay? And then a number 2 bottle, which is a number 2 bottle. I don't know, probably the developer or something. It comes with a set of instructions. Oh yeah, and gloves. I don't know what this is for. Oh, I think this is for the counter maybe, so that you don't ruin your counters. So I'm gonna start this process. It is annoying that I keep forgetting to buy a shower cap, so I'm gonna have to use this again, a plastic bag. Why is it coming out? Why is it coming out? There's still a little bit more in here. Like, why is it coming out? Why is it bubbly? Oh my god, I feel nervous. Oh, shikes. Okay, I don't know why, but there's way more product for the container, which is a horrible design flaw. The shower cap with a little hair tie. I have to keep it in no more than 20 minutes. I mean, I don't think my hair is falling off or anything. I just have to check. But so yeah, I just wanted to jump on and say a couple of things because I might not have a chance to say it at the end of this video. The first thing is they say that the processing time should not exceed 20 minutes, so I'm not going to do that. And then the other thing is that basically the color oops doesn't actually like restore your original hair color. I think it just lifts the color so that you're able to put another color on it. So I'm not necessarily expecting my hair to just look the way it used to look before the color. They do say that your hair is really porous right after, so if you want to add your new color at that point, it's better to do it right away. So I will be breaking this video up in 2 because I'm doing a color of this hair color. Hopefully it works out, but we'll see how it goes. And the other thing they say is that you should use a reconstructor or some type of conditioner thing before you apply your other color. So I will be using this Apogee reconstructor, which is what I use anyway, and for the shampoo I'm using the same Apogee that I use for my hair on a regular. I will start shampooing shortly and I won't come back on until I get it all out of my hair. I don't know if it's just me, but my hair actually looks like it's colored now. Holy. Like it actually looks like it's got color. So I finished washing my hair now. It says initially you have to rinse it out for 20 minutes, shampoo it, then repeat 5 minutes, and then do it again 5 minutes, and then do it again. I did as much as I could. I think in total it was 30 minutes of washing my hair. I'm not even sure if I should put this hair color in because this looks pretty colored to me. But anyway, I'm gonna put this keratin reconstructor. It's like, I did notice some hair shedding. It wasn't that much, but it was for sure shedding. So I'm just gonna leave this in for a couple of minutes, and then I think I'm still gonna go in with the hair color that I want. It might be a risk, like it might come out too light. So what I'm gonna do is I won't keep it in for too long because I feel like I can see color in my hair right now. So I don't know if it's just like a pretend thing or it's really color, if you know what I mean. So I don't want it to be too light because that'll be too much, but I do want it to be a bit lighter than this. So I think that's a wrap for this video. I'll just show you what the hair is doing. So in terms of overall use, I think the product, I mean, I'll only know once I try to dye my hair and see what happens, but I do not like the smell of this product. It feels so chemically. I don't even know if I got the full smell of my hair, and it makes sense why they keep telling you to rinse it out because it does smell so bad and it probably is like super chemically. And then the other thing is I saw quite a bit of shedding. I don't know if that's normal. So like when I say shedding, I mean like that kind of thing. Yeah. So I saw a couple of these strands in the tub, and so nothing too concerning. It wasn't like clumps or anything, but my hair never sheds. So this time it did. That's the only thing. Other than that, I hope that it does do what it's supposed to do, but I can't fully answer the question. If you want to know whether it fully does what it's supposed to do, then you're going to have to watch the next video where I show you my new color. It seems to not have taken my hair to its normal color, but it also seems to have taken it to another color. So I don't know what exactly is going on. I'm going to have to look at other videos to make sure that it's not just me who's seeing a much lighter. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna end this video now. I still want to dye my hair with the color that I want, so I might just do it. Even though my hair looks quite light right now, I don't know if it's just me or it just really looks so much redder or warmer than it was before. So let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I will end this video now. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up the video. It really helps me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you over. Yeah, other than that, I think that I'm just gonna jump into the next video, which is me coloring my hair. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!